There's a quantum theory that says you never die. Really, millions believe it. And it comes from a serious idea in physics, and even a Nobel Prize winner. So let's separate the fascination from the facts. Start with the strangest thought experiment in physics. It's called quantum suicide. And to understand it, you have to meet a man named Hugh Everett. In 1957, Everett proposed the many worlds interpretation. Every quantum event, he said, splits reality, each possible outcome happening in its own branching world. So picture a device with a 50-50 quantum trigger. In half the worlds it fires. In the other half, it doesn't. Reality splits in two. Every single time. Here's the twist. In the worlds where it fires, there's no one left to notice. You only ever experience the branches where you survive. Physicist Max Tegmark pushed this idea in the 1990s. From your own point of view, he noted, you'd seem to survive every time, no matter the odds. That's quantum immortality. The feeling that your stream of experience simply never ends because there's always some branch where you're still here. It's a haunting idea. But before you feel invincible, look closer, because the physics does not actually promise this. So are you actually immortal? Here's the honest science. Even Tegmark rejects the immortality conclusion. Real death, he points out, isn't a clean on-off switch. It's gradual. There's no single branch that neatly saves you. And many worlds itself is an interpretation, not a proven fact. It makes the same predictions as every other version of quantum mechanics. No experiment has ever confirmed the extra worlds. So quantum suicide is a mind-bending idea about how to read the math, not a survival guide. Please don't test it. But there's a second, deeper claim in those viral videos. That consciousness itself is quantum and might outlive the body. This one has a heavyweight behind it. Roger Penrose, who won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on black holes. With an anesthesiologist, Stuart Hameroff, Penrose proposed a theory called orchestrated objective reduction, Orch-OR for short. Their idea is this. Consciousness arises from quantum processes inside tiny structures in your neurons called microtubules. Supporters point to one intriguing clue. Anesthetics, the drugs that switch consciousness off, seem to act on these very microtubules. It's a real published hypothesis, but it's a minority view and heavily criticized. The core problem is temperature. In 2000, Tegmark calculated how long a quantum state could survive in the warm, wet brain. His answer, about 10 to the minus 13 seconds. That's billions of times too short for the brain's actual signaling. The brain, he argued, is simply too noisy to run as a quantum computer. Hameroff's team pushed back with their own numbers, and the debate is still alive. But nothing here proves that a mind survives death. Conservation of energy doesn't preserve a soul, and measurement in quantum mechanics never needed a conscious observer to begin with. The truth? Physics won't make you immortal, but the questions are real.